Hello students, are you preparing for CA intermediate examination? Are you preparing for the auditing paper? And are you finding that paper challenging in nature? Then this video will be very useful for you. Myself, Vikas Oswal, I am teaching auditing from past 2 decades. So there are some tips I would like to share with you when you prepare for the auditing examination. The first thing is that you need to follow a 30-10 approach. 30-10 approach means you read for 30 minutes and then you write the same thing for 10 minutes, close the book and write it down for 10 minutes. This way you will enhance your memory. Many students they complain that sir we forget things very easily. But by this method 30-10 approach, read for 30 minutes and then write for 10 minutes, definitely you will enhance your memory to a large extent. Second thing, my dear students, is that you need to read loudly. Reading loudly always has a psychological advantage. You're alert. And second thing is that you're getting into a self-teaching mode. You're teaching yourself the subject of auditing. That way, will always be good. Sometimes you're talking to yourself. Does not matter. Somebody will say he's talking to himself. No, does not matter. While learning, you should not hesitate. While eating, you should not hesitate. It is that way, my dear students. So read loudly. The third thing I would like to highlight is relevant reading. First of all, complete all the past examination questions. Practice all the RTP questions, the revision test paper question, the mock test paper question. Please practice all those questions, which will give you an understanding of what kind of questions are asked in the examination. So many a times I see students focusing on irrelevant topics actually here. That should not be the case. You should focus on all types of questions. And then, my dear students, also the fourth thing which you should carry from here is that practice. Now you have multiple choice questions coming up. The practice should start from day one. So whatever questions you are practicing, take a printout of it and don't mark the answer in the MCQ which is given. Mark the answer in a separate sheet. So practice what will make you understand that what type of questions are being asked. Beautiful thing about MCQ is that you have to understand the subject and the application of subject is tested in MCQ. That's the beauty of it. Okay. So I hope these tips will help you for the upcoming examination. Thank you very much.